Question number 9. If x to the power m into y to the power n is equal to x plus y to the power m plus n, then prove that dy by dx is equal to y by x. Given x to the power m into y to the power n is equal to x plus y to the power m plus n. Now taking log on both sides, log x to the power m into y to the power n is equal to log of x plus y to the power m plus n. Now log m into n is log m plus log n. Log of x to the power m plus log of y to the power n is equal to log m to the power n is n log m, that is m plus n log of x plus y. Now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Log x to the power m is m log x, m into derivative of log x or m log x अगोदर आपल्याला असं करावं लागेल इज इक्वल टू m x to the power m is m log x plus n log y is equal to m plus n log of x plus y. Now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. We get m into derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus n into derivative of log y is 1 upon y and y is dy by dx is equal to m plus n into derivative of log x is 1 upon x, that is 1 upon x plus y into derivative of x plus y is 1 plus dy by dx. Therefore m upon x plus n upon y dy by dx is equal to m plus n upon x plus y ने दोन्हीला मल्टिप्लाय करा, m plus n upon x plus y plus m plus n upon x plus y dy by dx. आणि dy by dx च्या टर्म आपण लेफ्ट राईट हँड साईडला घेऊ किंवा लेफ्ट हँड साईडला घ्या आणि dy by dx कॉमन काढा. Therefore dy by dx into bracket किंवा अगोदर आपण टर्म लिहू आणि नंतर कॉमन काढू. n upon y into dy by dx plus होईल मायनस m plus n upon x plus y dy by dx equal to m plus n upon x plus y plus मायनस होईल मायनस m upon x. यातून dy by dx कॉमन काढा, dy by dx into bracket n upon y minus m plus n upon x plus y equal to याचा एलसीएम घ्या, x into bracket x plus y इथं काही x न मल्टिप्लाय करा, mx plus ny माइनस m न मल्टिप्लाय करा minus mx minus my. Therefore dy by dx into bracket इथं एलसीएम घ्या y into bracket x plus y. आता y कॅन्सल होईल, n ने ह्याला दोन्हीला मल्टिप्लाय करा, nx प्लस ny. आता y न ह्या दोन्हीला मल्टिप्लाय करा, मायनस my मायनस ny इक्वल टू mx plus ny plus mx minus mx get cancel, ny minus my divide by x into bracket x plus y. आता इथं काय कॅन्सल होईल पहा, x plus y कॅन्सल होईल, इथं काय कॅन्सल होईल, प्लस ny मायनस ny कॅन्सल होईल, राहिलं काय, dy by dx into bracket nx minus my, nx minus my is equal to mx plus nx into nx nx minus my divided by y equal to nx minus my divided by x. So dy by dx is equal to काय, therefore dy by dx is equal to, अगोदर राइट हैंड साइड में nx minus my divided by x into याचा रेसिप्रोकल y वरती जाईल डिवाइड बाय nx minus my, ते कॅन्सल होतील. Therefore dy by dx equal to y upon x. This is the answer.